Yo, yo. Oh, shoot. What's going on? YouTube. What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do? Y'all already know who it is, man. Check it out. We hanging out. I got this just a quick unboxing video. I ordered some shoes. I don't know which ones they are. Ain't nothing like no Versace or shit like that there. Just some rough shoes. But we finna see what those are. But I got another video. It's probably gonna drop out of order. But when I went to the Bayou Classic over the weekend, see how that went. But who is this right here? Let me see. Telemark. I always go. But yeah, let's get into this quick unboxing real quick. And I think I know which ones they are already. I think I know which ones they are. But I ordered like 3 pair. And just want to see which ones these is. Oh yeah, this is my J's. My wife ordered some. Then she got more sons some, and then all of a sudden, at first I didn't like them, but then I was like, I wanted some because they had some, so I got me some. The crazy thing about it, these bitches came so quick. You know what I'm saying? These bitches came quick. I mean, quick. I just ordered them. What are these shoes? Thursday night? Yeah, Thursday night. Yeah. I know I ordered them Thursday because I was online looking for spots in for Saturday in New Orleans. Yep, that's it. I got so many shoes. I've been selling some of my shoes, but I don't know if y'all can see it or not. I don't know. Hope my address on. No, it's not. Where it was. Whatever. Y'all see this shit in the fucking online. But get these out. Check them out. Let's see what these do. Let me put it down. Put the camera's head. Let me see something. Put it down up in there. One thing I like about this camera, man, I control it with my phone. Love that shit. I got another camera. I got this one here that I use sometime. The Canon GX7, G7X, the flip up thing. You know what I'm saying? Nice ass camera. It's just this, and compared to that one, man, that's the best camera you can get right there for us. Like just to take anywhere. Throw that little fucker in my pocket and keep going. Let's see what we're looking at right here on these, man. I'll see the bag. Now I started wrapping shoes up in paper. The Fear 4s. I just went and bought a outfit for these right here the other day. Bought a polo outfit. I was looking for a Nike or a Jordan outfit, but found a polo fit to go with it. It match up with it perfect. Just gotta get me a hat. I can do a Raiders hat with this right here, really. Well, nah, Raiders a little bit too. Yeah, here you go. But yeah, man. Fear 4s. I'll probably wear them a couple times. Back in the box they go. So I'll probably wear them with my wife going somewhere, won't dress alike, or yeah, people still do that these days. You know what I'm saying? You dress alike, or me and my son go somewhere. I'm looking for a game to take him to. I'll probably take him to New Orleans. I want to catch the Saints game for the season over with. You know, so probably get some to wear over there. I don't know why I'm putting both of them out. But I do need to check them because one time I ordered some shoes, man. Pictures of like had mold on them. Or sun back. Yeah, these look good. What size? My size. I hope. Let me see something now. Oh, yeah. They straight. They're nice. I mean, I got so many doggone shoes, man. You have to wear the shoes because if not, they'll start messing up on you. So I got so many, man, I just wear these fucking to work sometimes. And they don't do shit at work like that, but I sit it off. But these over here. Quick outfit. Let me go get my outfit real quick so y'all can see how shit gonna match up. Hold on real quick. I'm back. Check it out. This the outfit I went and got with it right here. It's getting cold, so I just went and got it. You know how y'all thought this match up. Which I know it match, but I can work that gray in. So you're gonna have that. Boom. Then I'm coming with just a regular black and white polo. You know what I'm saying? Polo sweats. That's it. Polo sweats with the white horse. So what I do, I work me like I go find me a Jordan t-shirt or some kind of grayish like t-shirt. Throw up under it with the hat. Crazy thing about it, oh this shit was on sale, man. This sweatsuit was a regular $300 something. Yep. Let me see. Yeah, like 3 something. All the other ones I got like 3 something. I just happened to catch this bitch on sale. Half off. So it was $153. Can't beat that. Then it come with the hoodie too. Got the hoodie with it. Y'all can see the horse. Real polo, not that assassination. Which I thought something was on it. Nothing wrong with the assassination. Don't get me wrong. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't wear it, but you know, some people do. But yeah. You know what I'm saying? From actual polo store. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, man. So y'all know shoes. I got some other stuff, man. I like ordering shit, man. Cause my wife, I just sit up here and just order shit when I be bored. Okay. Don't even have it. Wear it or nothing like that, right? But now, I used to beat her in shoes. Yeah. I had to check these because sometimes I be thinking it's my stuff to be hers. She order more than I do. But one thing about it, bill pays. You know what I'm saying? You gotta enjoy it, man. You gotta enjoy yourself. You know what I'm saying? Anybody want to buy me a gift one day? There it goes, size 13. Boom. Nah, I just fucking with y'all. But yeah, that's it, man. Put this up. I've got, yeah, I'm gonna drop the other video probably later on this evening. It's Monday now. Video for Saturday. What's Saturday? Yeah, Saturday. And for the Bayou Classic. So I might drop this one first. I don't know. But yeah, and if y'all ain't already did it, man, go on. Look at that little corner down there, man. Should be a little subscribe button right down up in there somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Go on and hit that for your boy, man. Go on and hang out with me. You know what I'm saying? And gonna make it do what it do, what it do, what it do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, check out our work. Finna sit down and relax. Keep your feet up. That's it, man. Y'all be easy now. Peace.
few moments later.
Well, guys, I thought I was through. Another package came in real quick. This ain't no shoes or nothing like that, though. That's something I ordered for Louise. I told y'all I'm going up under the hood with it. I always wanted one of these pieces right here. I know some of you saying, "Well, he got a GMC, it ain't a damn Cadillac." Shut the fuck up. Watch when I finish with it. Cadillac could have been out. That's just a hint. And that ain't gonna be great no more. Give y'all a hint. Lift kit color. Picture. Some of y'all know what it is. It just sits over the motor. Intake, top of the manifold thing come out. Intake come out the front. You know it's already gold. Go boom. Perfect. Decals. Make my own decal stickers for it. Put something on the side once I get it painted. Keep y'all up on that now. Just something else just came in. As soon as I turned the camera off, another one popped up. But yeah, just a start up under the hood. Scoop, I mean not Scoop, but Louise. Just gonna put it together here. It really is. I can't wait to see it finished. But yeah. Okay, hopefully that's it. It's getting late. No more mail shouldn't come, so we gonna see. You know what I'm saying? But this gonna be it here. Gonna put this back in the bag. Clean up everything else. Just been done and